In this video you can watch wolves, camels, giraffe, crocodile and hippopotamus at Kharkiv Zoo. So initially wolves, but to regret, these guys like cats, big cats, like to sleep at daytime, so it's difficult to observe them. Next to the wolves there are antelope. I don't know why this man makes such noise. Maybe it has some indigestion and he ate something wrong. Near the zone of antelope there is a giraffe kiosk or giraffe building. I don't know how many giraffes should be here, but I noted only once. But very nice. Moreover, it had at the time lunch. At the same building you can note meerkat. Don't know how to pronounce right. Such animals which already famous to all the children of the world from a well-known cartoon Madagascar. Timon, their names as far as I remember. And here is some small square and photo zone. In nearby the area there is hippopotamus building. Also some small monuments of such animals. It's very funny for children to make photos. By the way, also near this, inside this building there are some snakes, reptiles. But of course the main attraction is this very big animal. But to regret, often it's very difficult to note such this man or woman, I don't know, because for example this is my second video, it's the second day and I didn't see him absolutely. So if you see such animal you will get a luck. I think you know this animal, King Julian, from again famous cartoon Madagascar. But the most big attraction for me is the same building. There is a crocodile zone. Yeah, look at such very nice animal, crystal pure water and glass, and children can observe and study this animal face to face, we can say. Yeah. Looks very funny, such dangerous animal and a kid. By the way, look at the teeth of this crocodile. White, absolutely white, and I'm sure this one doesn't use toothpaste. Here is the second toilet. The first one is near the entrance, also clear. Especially did video of this place, sanitary place. Next to toilet there is some zone contact zoo we say, or mini farms, but due to well-known reasons this zone was closed during my visiting. Pelicans, yeah. I found very funny ravens, very wisdom birds, and we were surprised when we heard noise of this bird. Yeah, we heard the noise like "давай, давай, давай, давай" in Ukrainian language.
Давай, 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 давай,
Давай, давай.
давай, 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 давай.
Yeah, not so often you can hear how the ravens speak. And at the end of this video, some short observation of Camels Zoo. Yeah. Also, there are some videos about penguins, monkeys, elephant, but there is a separate video of Kharkiv Zoo.